how to block comments from people Instagram, or how to block comments on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome to How to Browser. Now let me show you what you need to do. So just open Instagram and now tap on the three lines right there, and now go to settings right here, and from settings you need to go to privacy, and from privacy you need to go to comments, and here in comments, here we have block comments from. Okay, tab on block comments from, and here, right? So from whom you do not wish to receive comments. Here, just write their username. Yeah, just write here their username. So that's how you do it. I hope this video helped you. If this video helped you, please don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.